So friends, I read a quote which says you can have so many reasons to be sad, but you really don't need a reason to be happy. I'll share my observations and experience. I noticed a difference. Earlier, I used to pick battles with my own self more than others who tried against me. He hurt me. This colleague is conspiring against me. I hate this traffic. I hate the temperature. I'm not feeling good. They are the cause. I really don't understand why they are lying. It became a toxic loop. I'm not encouraging that. What I'm saying is, the more I began looking within, the more I felt liberated. I found peace in trying to compose myself. I am not encouraging, to be a watertight compartment of rage and aggression. It will turn out to be a different disease altogether. Don't do that. I'm not talking about piling up. You got my point. I began to feel the difference. The result is not immediate, but it is liberating. To speak of the highest, to speak of the least, it gives you peace. Being grateful, being less of a person who can always complain. You have all the opportunity to either complain, you have all the opportunity to either ignore it and find the way from within to solve it. Sometimes it may demand isolation. It can soon turn into solitude. That doesn't scare. What scares is constantly fighting battles in the wrong company. And yes, just like how Lord Rama empowered himself by first getting away from the toxic place, that can give an example. And we know what happened when he came back in the form of someone who conquered. Lord Krishna had a different approach. See, sometimes we need Rama Tattva, sometimes we need Krishna Tattva. It's life is a balance. And I think I also noticed something. I think I began to experience peace in why children are mostly black and white, and they don't encourage a lot of gray. If you have noticed, they will cry out loud, but they will leave the place where they don't feel good. I think saying no is beautiful. It will empower you. Have you noticed children do not worry of the impression? What will they think? What will they think if I walk out? What will they think if I don't show up the way I like? They do not encourage being in the toxic atmosphere for a long time. I do not consider it as a lack of patience, but I consider it as something that actually makes them happy. They're more clear, they're more individualistic than us. Yeah, these are some takeaways.